Hi, I'm Dr. Mesha, and I'm going to be talking about the Multifrax. It is a new technology, and we are one of very few medical spas in the country to offer this treatment. It is a resurfacing laser, and what that means is it's going to take pigment off of your skin as well as fine lines and surface irregularities. But the interesting thing about this is that because it is using laser technology to do microbeams into the skin, it is also going to provide deep rejuvenation and recruit collagen, cytokines, growth factors, and an inflammatory response that has a fabulous impact on the skin. The great thing about Multifrax and why I recommend it is because unlike the fractional CO2 laser that is an ablative laser, meaning it is going to take off skin from the surface of your face, the Multifrax only does little spots of radiation with its light beams, and the skin around is relatively unaffected, and it's going to have an impact from all those growth factors in the healing process, but you're not going to have removal of the skin surface, so you're not going to have the downtime that you would have in a fractional CO2. The great thing I'm also seeing with the Multifrax, and the reason why I upgraded from my Fraxel Dual, which is gold standard for our Fraxel technologies, is that this one is made so that it is much more comfortable, allowing me to provide a deeper treatment. So my patients are actually finding that in comparison to the Fraxel Dual, their pain is very minimal to almost none, which is phenomenal for us, and it also allows us to provide the treatment more regularly. I recommend doing this treatment every 3 to 4 weeks. You do at least 4 of those treatments. If you want to do more, you certainly can. When you look in the mirror and you're happy, I'm happy, and that's when you can stop treatment. Other people may do 3 to 4 and then repeat that annually to keep their collagen stimulated. And that's going to continue to provide a healthy dermis and reduce your chance of acquiring additional wrinkles, reducing your need for fillers and toxins in the future as well. What this doesn't address is red spots, but otherwise it gets everything else. And that's why I love it. It's very easy to schedule. You can call or text us to schedule. Plan to be with us for about 2 hours because we will provide a very strong topical anesthetics that will let us do a stronger treatment as well. Hold your retinols and any alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy acids for about 3 days, and don't do any procedures such as waxing or a hydrofacial within a week prior to treatment. However, I do like alternating hydrofacials in between all of our laser technologies at a frequency of about every 2 weeks apart. Hydrofacials are done usually on a monthly basis unless we're treating a more aggressive issue. But when done monthly and alternated every 2 weeks with lasers, your pores are going to be clean, your skin's going to contract better, and so you're going to have a way better response to your lasers and get those powerful antioxidants that are going to continue to help you heal and prevent aging, and they will also be even better absorbed when you're alternating with laser treatments. The only other thing that I tell people is when you're planning on doing the Multifrax, plan on getting your before pictures with us, because the changes are going to be seen over about a month or a little bit more. But when you do treatments like this regularly and it's stimulating collagen, you will see a difference. But before photos and after photos are some of our best ways to determine that. Post-care is always going to be important too. In addition to hydrofacials, I recommend an Omnilux red light and near infrared light mask that's going to hasten healing post-procedure immediately, but it's also very good for continuing to reduce those fine lines and helping improve the dermis even in between your treatments here at SpaGo. Also, skincare is going to be very important, so always remember to ask about important skincare that's going to help prevent recurrence of any sunspots and aging that you have and continue to improve and correct your skin. So we look forward to seeing you. Call or text us today.